Hello and welcome to another useful and motivational episode here at English with Ahmee, the channel where you can learn English in a simple and easy way. Thank you so much for being here today. Today we are going to talk about something very real, why life feels boring and how to make it better. Many people feel stuck in boring routines. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Every day feels the same. Life feels empty and meaningless, but it doesn't have to be this way. Today, I will explain why life feels boring and give you practical ways to make it exciting again. Let's begin. When we say life is boring, we mean life feels dull, repetitive, and meaningless. You do the same things every day. Nothing excites you. Nothing feels fresh or interesting. You feel like you're just existing, not really living. Signs your life might be boring. You feel tired even though you're not doing much. You look forward to nothing. Weekends feel the same as weekdays. You scroll through your phone for hours because there's nothing better to do. You feel empty inside. This is different from being sad or depressed. Boredom is feeling that life lacks excitement, challenge, or purpose. Many people experience this, especially in modern life with its predictable routines and digital distractions. Life feels boring for several clear reasons. You're stuck in the same routine. You do exactly the same things every day. Same time, same place, same activities. Your brain craves novelty, but you give it nothing new. You're not challenging yourself. You stay in your comfort zone. You don't learn new skills or try new things. Everything is easy and predictable, which leads to boredom. You're too comfortable. Comfort is good, but too much comfort makes life dull. When nothing is difficult or exciting, life loses its flavor. You're consuming too much, creating too little. You watch videos, scroll social media, play games, all passive activities. You're not creating anything or contributing. This makes life feel empty. You lack purpose or goals. You're not working toward anything meaningful. You just go through the motions without direction or motivation. You're disconnected from real experiences. You spend too much time on screens and not enough time having real adventures, conversations, or experiences. These reasons explain why so many people feel stuck in boring lives. Before we continue, I want to ask you something small. If you are finding this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps this channel grow and reach more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Join the English with Ahmee family. Also, join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels. You'll get daily motivation and life advice in simple English. The links are in the description below. Thank you for your support. Now let's learn how to make life exciting again. Let me give you practical ways to escape boredom and make life exciting. Break your routine. Take a different route to work. Eat breakfast at a cafe instead of home. Try a new grocery store. Small changes wake up your brain and make days feel different. Learn something new. Start learning a language, instrument, sport, or skill. Learning challenges your brain and gives you something to look forward to. It makes you feel alive and growing. Set exciting goals. Give yourself something to work toward. Run a 5K race. Save money for a trip. Read 20 books this year. Learn to cook 10 new recipes. Goals give life direction and purpose. Create instead of just consuming. Write, draw, build, cook, make videos, start a blog. Creating something makes you feel productive and fulfilled in ways that watching videos never can. Connect with people in real life. Call a friend. Visit family. Join a club. Have real conversations. Human connection makes life meaningful and interesting. Try new experiences. Visit a place you've never been. Try food you've never tasted. Attend an event you'd normally skip. Say yes to opportunities. New experiences create memories and excitement. Reduce screen time. Spend less time on phones and social media. These create the illusion of activity but actually make life more boring. Do real things instead. Help others. Volunteer. Help a neighbor. Teach someone something. Serving others gives life meaning and makes you feel valuable. These simple actions can transform a boring life into an exciting one. Let me tell you about David. David was 28 years old. He lived in Toronto, Canada. He had a decent job in an office, a small apartment, and no major problems. But David felt completely bored with his life. Every morning, his alarm rang at 7 a.m. He pressed snooze 3 times. Finally, he dragged himself out of bed, took a quick shower, grabbed coffee, and rushed to work. At work, David sat at his desk for 8 hours. He did the same tasks every day. Answer emails, attend meetings, update spreadsheets. Nothing challenging, nothing exciting. During lunch, David scrolled through his phone. He watched funny videos, checked social media, and ate the same sandwich he always bought. After work, David went home. He was tired, even though he hadn't really done anything difficult. He made simple dinner, usually pasta or rice. Then he sat on his couch and watched Netflix for 4 hours. Every single day was exactly the same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they all blurred together. Weekends were no different. David slept late, watched more shows, ordered food, and scrolled his phone. David had no hobbies, no goals, no real friends nearby, no exciting plans. One Sunday evening, David looked at himself in the mirror. He felt empty. Is this all life is? He thought. Wake up, work, watch TV, sleep, repeat? What's the point? David felt depressed. Not because something bad happened, but because nothing happened at all. His life was just boring. That night, David couldn't sleep. He lay in bed thinking about his life. I'm wasting my life, he realized. I'm 28 years old, and I can't remember the last time I felt truly excited about something. The next morning, David made a decision. I'm going to change my life. I don't know how yet, but I can't live like this anymore. David started small. First, he joined a gym near his apartment. He had never exercised before. The first week was hard. His muscles hurt. He felt embarrassed because he didn't know how to use the equipment properly. But something interesting happened. Going to the gym gave him something to look forward to. His days felt different. He felt a small sense of accomplishment. Then David remembered something he loved as a child: drawing. He hadn't drawn in 15 years. He bought a sketchbook and some pencils. Every evening, instead of watching Netflix for 4 hours, he watched for 2 hours and spent 1 hour drawing. His drawings were terrible at first, but he didn't care. Creating something felt good, felt meaningful. Next, David decided to learn Spanish. He had always wanted to speak another language. He downloaded an app and practiced 20 minutes every day during his lunch break. He also started saying yes to things. When a coworker invited him to a hiking trip, David's first instinct was to say no. He didn't hike. It would be uncomfortable. But he remembered his promise to change. Yes, I'll come, he said. That Saturday, David went hiking for the first time. It was difficult. He got tired. His legs hurt. But standing at the top of the mountain, looking at the beautiful view, David felt something he hadn't felt in years: pure joy. This is what living feels like, he thought. Over the next 6 months, David's life transformed completely. He went to the gym 4 times a week and got fit. He filled 3 sketchbooks with drawings and actually got pretty good. His Spanish improved enough to have basic conversations. He made new friends at the gym. He started hiking every weekend with his coworkers group. He tried rock climbing, which terrified and excited him. David also set a big goal: save money to visit Spain and practice his Spanish in real life. This goal motivated him. Every time he wanted to waste money on something useless, he thought, "No, I'm saving for Spain." 1 year after that depressing Sunday evening, David's life was completely different. He had energy. He had goals. He had friends. He had hobbies. He had excitement. People at work noticed. "David, you seem so different lately, so happy and energetic. What changed?" David smiled. "I stopped just existing and started actually living. I realized that life is only boring if you let it be boring." David learned that you don't need a lot of money or perfect circumstances to have an exciting life. You just need to break routines, try new things, challenge yourself, and pursue goals that matter to you. His life went from boring and meaningless to full and exciting, not because his circumstances changed dramatically, but because he decided to change himself. You can do exactly what David did. Your life can transform too. It starts with one small decision today. Here's how to escape boredom starting today. This week, try one completely new thing. A new food, new route, new activity. Break your routine in one small way daily. This month, start learning one new skill. Pick a goal that excites you. Reduce screen time by 30 minutes and do something creative instead. Daily, do one thing that's not part of your normal routine. Talk to someone new. Go somewhere different. Create something small. Small changes create big transformations over time. Life is not meant to be boring. You deserve to feel excited, engaged, and alive. If your life feels boring right now, that's not a life sentence. It's a wake-up call. It's your brain telling you that you need change, challenge, and growth. The good news? You have complete control. You can make your life as exciting or as boring as you choose. Start today. Try one new thing. Set one exciting goal. Break one boring routine. Every small change moves you toward a more exciting life. Every new experience adds color to your days. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to decide and take action. Your exciting life is waiting. Go claim it. You've got this. Thank you so much for listening to this important message today. If this lesson inspired you, please subscribe to English with Ahmee. Click that subscribe button for more life lessons in simple English. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs this message. Leave a comment. What's one new thing you'll try this week to make your life more exciting? Share your commitment. Join our WhatsApp and Telegram channels for daily motivation. Links are in the description. Remember, life is only boring if you let it be. Make it exciting. Until next time, keep learning, keep trying, and keep speaking. You've got this.